Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today, I look a little bit messy because I've been out in the sun, it's been hot, I got a little sweaty, so my hair's a little bit all over the place, but we're here to smash it out with a brand new fun video for you guys. So if you haven't seen, there has been a big collaboration between Calvin Klein and Palace, and I got the two things I wanted from it, to be honest. I looked at everything else and I was like, would I wear this? Probably not. So I'm going to show you some of the snags that we got. I just really wanted this gray sweatshirt that looks like this. It is just this CK with the Palace logo on it, and I liked this one because I could tell from the fit, and actually working at Calvin Klein in the past, that this is actually a really great quality sweatshirt. So I got this in medium knowing it was going to be an oversized fit for these type of things because they're to do with skateboards. I knew they would do it a little bit more oversized, and this fits perfectly for a medium. Really love this. So we're going to try it on in 5, 4, 3, 2. And here you go. This is what it's like on. It's really nice. I like the fit of this whole thing. It does have a little bit of an extra, I don't know, it's very thick down here at the bottom. It's got a big chunk of like a little band rib. But I do like how it looks. It's just got that Palace going across here embroidered in. Except for the CK itself is their like classic like little, I don't know. It's like that plasticky type thing that is probably my favorite purchase out of all of these. And then I picked up these, which are the Palace 3-pack trunks. I thought we might as well just try. Honestly, I don't think they're worth it. Straight off the bat, I really don't think these are worth it. I think you should save your money. You're basically paying for the Palace added to the band. I start off with gray. They all have open flies, which is quite nice. I guess the material is quite soft, but it's basically just a regular 95% cotton. I don't know if you can see these, but that's what that's like. Just a regular trunk with seams here, which I really dislike in an underwear. I don't like the thin ones. I think they're really, really horrible. The band itself isn't that great. It's very, very basic. It's very coarse as well. If you want something a little bit more structured, this is not the one for you for everyday wear. I really think you could get away with something a lot more better than these. You might as well just go for a regular 3-pack at this rate. But yeah, this is the white one. You can see here. And it just says like Palace up there in the corner. There's no logo of Palace, which I thought would be a lot more nicer. The black one's okay. They all look very similar, but I don't know what to say. Like the fit on these are just a regular trunk. You're not getting anything different. It does have a bit more of a stretch on the leg a little bit, but the cotton is so see-through and transparent that it's so thin. I just feel like this is really failed underwear wise. They could have done something a lot more innovative. They could have done microfiber. I think for a skate brand, microfiber would have been a lot more nicer for these because it would just be something a lot better. Even the structure of the back is a little bit different. I don't know if you can see the seams on the back of these ones here, but even though that kind of shapes the butt a bit more overall, I just feel like it's so basic. It's just they slapped on the Palace and just hope people will now buy regular 3-pack at a higher price point. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of this. It is a bit of a letdown, so I do have to say, if you guys are thinking about getting the Palace CK collab, maybe get a sweatshirt. The sweatshirts are really nice. I really love these. Probably the wrong time of year now to have a sweatshirt because it's going to be a lot more warmer coming up now. But because it's very thick. Yeah, definitely think the sweater's worth it. The 3-pack of underwear is very subpar. Like, I'm not really a fan. I've got better underwear in my closet drawer that is better than these for a 3-pack. So that's it from these. What can I say about the 3-pack overall? You know, it's got the same 3-pack coarse band that it has here. I mean, they haven't really done anything to make it feel any better except for the inside seam here is softer. If you do buy these, it is softer. It does have that open fly here, so you can basically, you know, do your business with that. If you like an open fly, that's quite a good benefit because I don't think there's a lot of these trunks out there. The seams at the bottom, I feel like they are not going to last that long, so you're not going to get that much of a, you know, use out of them. What else can I say? There is a lot of room in the legs, so if you do have big thighs, that is a benefit. There is like a lot of stretch going on here, so there is that. The front support isn't great. Same goes for the back as well. It does shape the butt a little bit more, but not a lot. They missed the mark on this one. They just made it a cash grab, I think, with this. But yeah, that is these 3-pack from Calvin Klein. I think you could just buy the 5-pack and you get more. I do love this though. This is probably my favorite of all of them, like I said. But yeah, I wanted to jump on here and do the Palace collab just to let you guys know. So the trunks, boxer briefs, and everything else on the website are going to be the exact same except for the loose fitting boxer shorts. If you have the boxer shorts, I think they'd be better. Just go check those out. But that's it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to turn that notification bell on when you subscribe and all that good stuff. And leave a comment down below what you thought about this. And if you're going to cop it yourself, I would love to know. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, wherever you may be. Bye-bye.
So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.